If you are among those who use modern toilets which came from Western civilization, means that you are not pooping in the right manner. This is because you sit down to poop, which is not the right way. Human body is created in such a way that squatting seems a more natural and relaxed way to poop, rather than sitting. Various research has also proven that you have been pooping wrong your whole life, especially if you are using the fancy sit-down toilets which came from the West. Such toilets do not allow the hatch to open all the way, which in turn puts strain on the colon, which stores waste from the small intestine. The waste is usually moved by the colon using rhythmic muscular contractions. The sitting position interrupts this flow, causing the waste product to cement to the colon wall. This sitting position also increases the risk of various diseases like hernias, constipation, hemorrhoids, inflammatory bowel disease, and colon cancer. On the other hand, the squatting position is the perfect posture for excretion. In this position, the guts straighten out, leaving you to do the job in comfort. In addition, when you use the squat position, pubo-ectalis relaxation occurred easily, and straightening of the rectum and anal canal facilitates an easy waste evacuation. The anal canal become wide open and no folding will be formed in the terminal rectum. Whereas, in the sitting position, a remarkable folding will be created in the terminal rectum, and pubo-ectalis relaxation becomes incomplete. This in turn, was found to lead to an incomplete elimination of stool. Also, there are several other advantages of using squatting position. Let's have a look at few prominent ones. It makes the elimination process faster, easier and more complete. It prevents fecal stagnation, which is one of their main reasons behind colon cancer, appendicitis, and inflammatory bowel disease. It plays a key role in protecting the nerves, which control the prostate, bladder and uterus from becoming stretched and damaged. It securely seals the ileocecal valve, located between the colon and the small intestine. This prevents any kind of leakage during evacuation, which can contaminate the small intestine. It relaxes the pubo-ectalis muscle, which in turn prevents putting strain on the rectum. It uses the thighs to support the colon and prevent straining. It reduces the risk of hemorrhoids. For pregnant women, squatting position avoids pressure on the uterus when using the toilet. It even prepares pregnant women for natural delivery. To use the squatting position, you can either get a modified toilet seat, or simply keep a little stool in front of the toilet, and put your feet up on it while sitting. This raises your legs, in turn stimulating a shallow squat position.